Friends, running kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. It is Saturday, March the 7th, and over at the Home Depot, a lot of their P&G laundry care is 50% off. There's a lot of moving parts to this, and if you never get a really good haul and you're like, hey, I really would love to have a bit of the larger containers in my stockpile, and I am very interested by this, up to 70% off, and I went this morning and found a whole bunch. Again, the store that you're at is at the Home Depot, and you can either look this up on their app or you can look this up on their website, or you can go in store, which is probably the easiest thing. And so you would just type in your zip and then look for the Tide that I'm showing you in this video, or type in Tide clearance in your search and it should start populating. You actually have to press on the item to see the clearance price. It just won't show automatically as well. Right, so we're just going to jog through all of this. This is obviously some of the better finds when you can find items at 50% off. These Tide Pods are $7.86. The original price was $14.97. Unfortunately, no manufacturer coupons that we can throw into the mix, but I do have some savings stacked up to get this for like $4.86, so $3 off. We have the 76 count of these Tide Pods. If you are unsure of prices as well, don't be shy to grab a couple items, jog them up to customer service and ask for a bit of assistance. Can I get a price check on this? Because you don't want like a surprise at checkout if it's ringing up or somebody moved it around, which happens a lot at these stores. So you just don't want that wonderful little surprise. This is a favorite in our household, the Tide Free and Gentle for $15.98. It's not 50% off, but the original price was $22.21. It looks like that. And again, the much larger container, the Spring Meadows one. So there's a lot of Tide Pods specifically. I didn't see any liquid or any Downy liquid at my store, but I also saw these, which are some of the scent beads. A lot of shoppers here really enjoy these, especially to spruce up towels and that sort of stuff. But these are all P&G products, and you really have to pay attention when you're in the store, like, what am I seeing? I know this is really popular with a lot of you, the Cascade. This one's $8.46. It's almost like $14, so 50% would be $7. So it's just weird math, but they want to make the most bang for their buck. If you do find something and you're like, hey, I wish I could find like a couple more of those very tippy top shelves, obviously you're going to need an employee to help you with that. Don't be shy to look up and say, hey, those Tide Pods, would there be more of those? And then look at the box. Use your phone to like zoom in. That's probably how the majority of us do this, but don't be shy to do that, so you can just get more for your transaction if there's only like 3 on the shelf. There's a promotion, 15 off of 75 and 25 off of 100, and it's specifically off of the P&G products. And this has been going on since December, right till tomorrow, which is Sunday, March the 8th. So you have like Saturday and Sunday to get this extra savings, and this is completely what it's about. And as you can see, the products that are in fact included, we have Tide, Cascade, whatever else your store might have, those Downy beads that we were seeing. And if you look at the very bottom, sorry, it's in that orange, it says it's valid from the 29th of December right till the 8th of March of 2026. So that is your window. So if you can find, say, 10 of those Tide Pods for $7.86, that's $78.60. Subtracting the 15 off of 75 instant savings, you don't even have to sign up for a Home Depot card for that instant savings to pop off. You will pay $63.60 plus tax. The cheapest workaround for this is if you have an IBOTTA gift card, use a $50 one or a $63 one if you might have a couple dollars in your IBOTTA account. And then keep your receipt. Absolutely keep your receipt. Photograph it and send it off to the Brand Saver, which is formerly P&G Good Every Day, for a $15 gift card, which will arrive to you probably a month and a half. It makes it $48.60 for the 10 or $4.86 per unit if you are so lucky to find 10 of those. I'm just using the $7.86 Tide Pods as an example. If you possibly can find like a mixy match, by all means, but make sure you're at that $75 or $100 mark, however you want to do it, but just be really on your A game. That site that I was talking about, it's pngbrandsaver.com, and yes, you do have to sign up for an account, and you will have to provide the UPCs, a photograph of your receipt, like you'll have to type out the UPCs of your items. But say you wanted to go really large with the Cascade, that would be an option, or some of the scent beads. And you will get back a $15 gift card when you spend $50, and you've achieved that. You haven't used any manufacturer coupons, so you are in for this one. But what a way to get some cheap detergent. And again, guys, you have the 7th and 8th, because the promotion to save the $15 instantly at Home Depot, it ends on the 8th, as we were talking about, so really pay attention about that. Here's a tidbit of information that a lot of shoppers don't know. If you buy something that is on sale or on clearance, and by April the 8th, say you do this tomorrow, if they change the price or drop it more, say it goes 75% off, and yes, this Tide won't be in the store at 75% off. People will buy it at 50. You can go to the store and get your difference. And I will tell you guys that I think my husband went and bought some Christmas lights when it was 50% off. And then the next day it went 75. I went with my receipt. Even for clearance Christmas lights, the lady at the counter gave me the difference. No questions asked, nothing, handed me over the cash. So hang on to your receipt, really, really important. And they can search through the UPCs if your location dropped it, say from 50 to 75, and you will get the difference. So hang on to your receipt. I know a lot of us are about saving money. This could be a couple extra bucks for you. Hey class, this is where we're really going to pay attention. At the Home Depot, these items are not part of the P&G promotion. It's just really good items, really cheap. And hey, if they drop even more, I might have a couple extra bucks in my pocket, including this 18 pack of these paper towels for $8.52. That is a really, really good deal. And then they also have the single counts if you just don't have the room for 76 cents. They're from 96 to 76, so you tell me if that's a good deal. I would rather get the 18s. Everybody's favorite, Arm & Hammer, these large containers for $9.06. The original price, $17. Wow, you must have to be rich to shop at Home Depot, because that's a lot. Holy moly. And then the Little Sister for $6.06. That is not a bad price point. The original price was $12, and that's typically what I see it at like a Meijer or a Walmart. That other big one, though, man, you have to be independently wealthy for that one. And we have the Power Sheets. It's like a laundry detergent for $11.06. I don't believe this product really took off with consumers, because I've seen it on clearance at various stores as well. So I think it's going to stay there, and it's probably going to drop even more. And then we have a dupe for Dawn dish soap. It's their HDX line, and these larger dish soaps are $6.66. Original price $10 and some change. So yep, just if you needed some dish soap and you think that's a great price point and you want to take a chance with this line, why not? That's it for this video. Yesterday's Walgreens video for the matchup starting on Sunday, linked right here. Check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. Good luck, guys. Bye.